A lot of people are posting bad content without even knowing it. So in Roast and Rescue, I check my followers' videos, roast them and show them how they can make their videos way better. So if you want me to check yours next, drop your handle in the comment section. You might be next. So today we are going to roast 3 people. Hanif Gram, Sadiq Balewa, then Chik Abaya.
If you are building your business depending on family and friends to patronize you, that might be the biggest mistake you'll ever make.
So Hanif, you want to cause family problems now? Let's continue.
Your family and friends will rather buy from a total stranger than to buy from you. And
why are you holding your mic like this? Is it a gun or is it a mic? Which one is it? Plus, you are trying to cause family problem and you are doing like this with mic. Very soon now, we'll start seeing you with knife. But again, what's the point of me watching this video from beginning to end when you have already given me the payoff? You understand what I'm saying? You have already given me the payoff already. Okay, it's because this and that. Okay, no problem, Hanif. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Nobody will watch this video from beginning to end because you have already given me the payoff.
Real sales, then the sales blueprint is your boss stuff. I broke down how to attract the right buyers and close them with confidence.
You said family and now you are saying buyers again. So family, are they part of the buyers or they are not? Which one are you up to? Your call to action. It's not there yet. It's not really strong. Just go straight to the point. You don't need to tell people if you are this, if you are that. You have already. What's the essence of the whole content? If now you are coming back to now come and explain to us, okay, this is this, this is this, this is that.
Tap the link in my bio to grab your copy now. Cheers. If you are building your business depending on family and friends to patronize you, that might won't make it. Your head is the make it trending. Faceless brands are having difficulty breaking through. People trust.
Says who? You? Or that's what is going on?
Just an AI generated talking cat with voiceovers. And they are making it big. So if you don't want to show your face for whatever reasons, here are 3 options I have for you. Option 1 is if you have...
You are contradicting yourself. Faceless brands are not making it. Now they are making it. And now they are together. Okay, if you want this, you have 3 solutions. Hanif, stay in one lane. You can't be going from this lane to another lane. Faceless not making it. Now faceless making it. By this time, I'm very sure if to say Instagram has a retention graph, by now, people have already started going to, practicalize what you have said so far, and they have not watched the video from beginning to end, which is very, very important when it comes to content creation. And if you want your videos to grow organically, you need that. You need the retention. You're paying off too early.
Any employee or a team member who has the charisma, let them represent your brand. The second option you have is to partner with an influencer as your brand ambassador.
Hanif is always giving us payoff. Hanif, are you sure you're not using AI completely for your script? Because this one sounds like AI, because I know how AI, But thank God today the mic is down. The mic is on a stand. Thank God. Keep the mic down. Keep the mic down. Don't be intimidating us with mic like this.
And let them be the bridge. And the final option I have for you is to create your own AI character to engage with your audience. And you don't even have to show up on camera. You don't have to show your face. The key is very simple. Humanize your brand even if you don't want to show your human face. Faceless brands. So one of the most common mistakes I see a lot of small business owners are making is this. They don't separate their business money from their personal money. So
again, honey, you have great content, but yeah, messing up. But don't worry, that's why I'm here for you. So I think I've seen enough of your videos. It's time for me to help you now. First of all, I've seen your videos. Great image quality, nice audio, unlike, that other person. that doesn't like using mic. When it comes to most of your video, there's one mistake I realize that you keep repeating over and over and over again, and that mistake you're making is costing you a lot, because retention is very important when it comes to social media nowadays. It shows the algorithm that this content is really nice because people keep watching from beginning to end. For those of you that don't know what retention means, is the percentage at which people watch your video from beginning to end. So it tells the algorithm that, okay, this video is really good, and it pushes it out to more people if a lot of people are viewing your videos, from beginning to end. So, and there's one mistake you are doing, honey, and it is totally destroying your retention rate. You're giving out the payoff too early. Sometimes you even give the payoff at the beginning of your hook, when people are supposed to find out at the end of your video. They are finding out, okay, what the video is all about in the beginning. Because if there's no curiosity gap, people don't sit and watch from beginning to end. People can easily predict where you're heading to, just like Hausa movies. By the time you just see 10 minutes of the Hausa movie, this one is a villager, and he loves one girl, and the girl is doing shakara. He went to the town, and now he's rich. Now she's all over him. Please, I love you. And now he's doing big guy, or they are generic storytelling lines. So your content is giving that vibes. But if to say you said, okay, this is one great mistake small businesses are doing, and it is destroying how they operate, and that's why a lot of businesses are crashing in less than 1 year. And you might be doing it, and that's why your business is declining. Then you now go ahead and explain whatever you want to explain. Then after explaining, you now say, that's why it is very important to separate your business money and your own personal money. So that's you giving the payoff at the end of the video instead of the beginning of the video. And that's what is killing your retention rate. So I hope that helps. So I want to see your next content. If I see you giving the payoff in the beginning, it's me and you. Thank God I know you. Next is Sadiq Balewa.
I am thrilled to take you behind the scenes of my latest cinematic project. Let's dive right in.
Now they never leave you.
We don't want to see.
They have left you behind.
Nobody want to see. Because nobody cares, honestly. So I'm putting this on mute so that I will not get copyright. Because it's just music. You get it ready. Camera, sitting down. How many sit downs? 2. Blue and red sit downs. I think somebody is infected with main character syndrome. Look at how I did this. Oh, this is me doing this. Oh, take a look at how I'm going to take this from this to that. I see. No wonder you're suffering. I knew it. Main character syndrome. From the beginning, I knew it. The moment I saw the first video, I knew main character syndrome is one of your problems. Doing nothing ends you nothing, but it will cost you time. I think watching too much movies and watching too much YouTube is affecting you.
I'm about to radically increase your adrenaline and dopamine levels.
Ha! Oh, my doctor.
About 5 years ago, my brother, 3 friends and I planned a swimming out.
Me and myself.
Increase your adrenaline. I am thrilled to take... I remember it like it was yesterday. Pluto was considered... This is probably not going to be one of the most entertaining videos. Have you ever wondered what life would look like if you went
4, 3, 2, 1.
Me. Main character syndrome is disturbing you. Main character syndrome is finishing you. This is social media. We don't care what you do. We don't care what you're saying. We don't care how you do it. You're not the main character yet. With time, you can be the main character. But right now, nobody cares, honestly. All your video, zoof, from one transition to another. Swooshes everywhere. Transition everywhere. It's taken away from the video. Over Sabi, they worry you. Everywhere, man. Over Sabi, they worry you. Main character syndrome. Calm down. It's a matter of time. You reach there. But for now, calm down. Let me tell you what to do. First of all, I would like to say nice videos, nice audio, nice storyline, but you have some little mistakes that you're doing in your video, and that is what is stopping your videos from going viral. At this moment, you need to identify who exactly do you want as your target audience, because based on your videos, your target audience are not clearly defined, so the videos are just there. So basically, they are just like your own personal diary. And honestly, nobody wants to see anybody's personal diary out there. You know, everybody is looking for either entertainment, education, or inspiration. So you need to create your videos around these three things. Are you trying to entertain people? Are you trying to educate them? Or are you trying to inspire them? Based on your videos, you have main character syndrome. Basically, you're the number one actor in the video, when in reality, people want to be the main character in your own video. That is how people will now sit and look at the video, because they feel like the main character, not you being the main character. So you have to start looking at, okay, what will my audience enjoy? Not what I feel like giving them. What will they enjoy? How is it going to benefit them? What are they going to take away from this my video? These are the things you need to consider before creating your own videos. Don't get me wrong, cinematically you are doing very good. Let's say, for example, your videos are going to be played in a theater full of people. Yeah, everybody will be impressed. Cool videos. This is nice. Oh, look at the transitions. Look at this. Look at that. But on social media, people don't really care. People are out there looking for entertainment. People are out there looking to get educated. People are out there looking to get inspired. So if you are not doing that, nobody cares. People will just swipe away. Because at the end of the day, I think only cinematographers will be like, this is mad. This guy is happy edit too. This is that. You understand what I'm saying? But it's not for the general public what you are doing. It's just for a small particular group of people, and you don't want that. If you want to grow on social media, you want a lot of people to enjoy what you are doing. You need to redefine your audience. Use transitions where necessary. Don't overuse them. And finally, do videos that resonate with a lot of people. It is not your personal diary. I hope this helps, and I want to see your next video. Next, we have Chikabaya CO or Co. I don't know which one. Well, let's go and see.
I love it.
What about this?
I love it more.
How about this?
I love it.
What do you think about this?
I love it.
What?
Following trends. Let's see another video. This is
about
just
this?
following trends.
I love it more.
How about this?
Not to flex.
I went from this. I went from this.
I went from this. So we had to wait for you to go and press pause. And you couldn't even remove it in post-production. You people, we are using our own data. It's not by force to watch your video. We just keep wasting seconds we were waiting for you to go and press pause and come back. When in editing, you could easily just cut that place out and just make it shorter for us. You decided to allow us to wait because you are the one giving us data. But we'll swipe away. This is going to get my video copyright strikes, so I'm not going to play the music. We'll watch it like this. After all, showcasing. See abaya, see. Hi, God, you need to flog some people. Though. If they don't showcase abaya here, I'll stop doing YouTube videos. They'll still showcase abaya. Wait and see. Come on, let's see. Let's see. They are going to showcase abaya. They will showcase abaya. If they don't showcase abaya, I'm leaving this. I'm leaving social media. If they don't showcase abaya. Yeah, showcase the abaya. Let me see. Very good. Showcasing abaya again. Showcasing abaya again. Showcasing again. That hand will not come. Flog that hand. Every day showcasing. Another one again. Another. You see the hand. Flog that hand. Showcasing abaya. You see this one. You see this one. You see this one. No, this is not how social media works. I hope you have seen all your mistakes. Now it's time for me to give you a solution to this your mistake. First of all, you need to understand that people don't really care about what you are selling in the first place. So showcasing abaya all the time will not get you the views and will not give you the likes and the sales you want, because as long as I'm not planning to buy abaya, if I just see your abaya page, I'll scroll past it, because at that moment I'm not planning on buying any abaya. And so as to anybody that is viewing your page, if they are not planning to buy at that moment, they will just scroll past and that's it. The algorithm sees it as a low quality and a bad content, so it will show it to more people, because people keep scrolling past it, because at that moment they are not really interested in buying abaya, so no need to look, we just swipe and move. But what you should do is try and educate people about abaya. Okay, this is the fabrics, the design, whatever, how you can style this your abaya, how you can do this with your abaya, how you can make your abaya look better, or things like that. So even if we are not planning on buying at that moment, at least we have something valuable we can take away from your page. So it will make us now stop and look at your video and be like, okay, I never knew abaya can be this. I never knew that iron can spoil my abaya this way. Okay, I should use iron on low heat, or I should use iron on high heat to iron my abaya. You can do a lot of educative or entertaining videos, then do your showcasing maybe once in a while, because as long as you have a very good video, at the end of your video you can always say, okay, buy your abaya from us. When people reach out, you can send them different videos or different pictures of different types of abaya you sell. Or if you have a website, you can showcase everything there on your e-commerce website, so that people can easily go look at what you have and choose what they want to buy, and that's it. So you need to understand that this is not an e-commerce website, this is social media. So you have to do things that will benefit people, so that they can follow you and in the future they can buy, not just showcasing. Nobody will look at it at the end of the day. I hope this will help you create better videos. And if you want to be next, you can drop your handle in the comment section, and I'll make sure I review your video and roast you before giving you any solution. So see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone in need.